raining very hard. You sure it's okay? Yeah, it's okay. Got your back. Yeah, I guess you guys are right. You guys are my friends. Yeah, it's raining really hard, and it's at the daytime. It's raining right now because it's raining. So, yeah, what about we do something with a lot of the rain going on? It's a pretty good idea. Yeah, but the rain is going very high, so yeah. But what we should do? I don't know. I don't know. But I don't know too. I don't know. What about we just play some video games or something? You know what's going on? What about we play video games? We just said that. It's okay. It's okay. We can play video games. Yay! But we should play first. What about we just play some video games or? Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. Guys, the power just ran out. Oh my gosh, what do we do? Don't worry, I have a light and I'll go get it. Alright, I got a light, guys. Oh my gosh, the power ran out very soon. Guys, oh my gosh. Guys, the power just ran out. What do we do? I don't know. We gotta do something. We can't play video games. What about we play, what about we play, like a board game or something? No, board games are boring, yeah. What about we play some ball? No. But what do we do? Guys, we gotta figure out something. Yeah. Why's your voice like that? I don't know. But, okay guys, we gotta do something productive. So, here, I got some, toys that we can play with. What is that? It's a Goofy and a Black Yoshi toy. Stupid, get out of the way! But I don't know what to do. Why don't we just go to bed or play a board game? Board game. I said I didn't want to play it, but let's play it anyway. I don't care. Hey guys, yay! Alright guys, we got a perfect board game to play. What is that? I got Uno. Uno, that's kind of good. Oh wait, I got a fart. Ah, there we go. There we go. I farted. You stink. Yeah, I do. Okay, let's play Uno now. Let's dump all the cards out. No, don't dump all the cards out. Too bad, I'm doing it anyway. Empty box, stupid. Oh, but we got Uno out. How do we play this game? It's easy. Here, I'll get it set up. Alright, guys. We got Uno up. Now let's play. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna go first. Fine. Okay. Wait, we gotta flip up a card. Oh, I'll do it. Ow. The color is green. Okay, let me see if I have a green or not. Oh, I do. Reverse fractal. Let me. Okay. Let me see if I have a green or not. Sorry about orange right here. Yes. Boom. Boom, baby. Okay. Okay, green. Here it is. Boom. Okay. Let's see my cards. Okay, there you go. Oh my god! Why am I doing that? Oh, I got an idea. Sweat cards! Duh! Oh my gosh. What are you gonna pick? I'll pick... Let me. Okay. Here's my cards, and I'll take yours. Yes, I got the good cards. Oh, the color is, let me see how many colors I have. Like, how many colors? I would pick green. Not green. Yellow. Yellow! Okay. Let me see. Let me see if I have a yellow or not. Oh, I don't, but look at this. Boom! Booyah! Oh, what's the color? Green. Let me your turn. I don't have any heart. No. 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 Oh wait, yes. Okay, this is gonna take 2 hours. Alright guys, it's been 3 hours now. We're about to be done with this game, so whose turn is it? Your turn, let me? Okay. Which way is it? Oh, it's definitely mine. No, it's my way. No! What? You thought I was stupid? Yes, I won! I won! That's not fair! That's not, definitely not fair! We're not playing this game anymore. And what happened to the storm? God dang it. I thought it flew away. It just started. But guys, we got it. Oh, wait, the rain was going the whole entire time, Koopa. You don't have ears. You don't have ears. Fine. Okay, guys. I guess we're done today. Can we play another game? No, we're gonna put this back. Yeah, let's put this back. There we go. It's all put back. Now let's just sit here and do nothing. We're not just gonna do nothing, Koopa. We're just gonna, like, do something fun for some reason. Like what? I don't know, like, use on this. The rain is still going, but we can still use on this. No! That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Let me get out of the way. That's so bad. Oh, stupid. Oh, you want to fight, boy? Yeah, let's fight. Duh. No. No, please, guys, don't fight it. Please. No, down. Come at me. No, please. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go home in the rain. I don't care. It was just you and me, Lemmy. Yeah. I hope you're friends with him again. Yeah. We'll probably do it tomorrow. Yeah. But guys, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna do some fun stuff with my bot. Hey. Why do you talk like that? I don't know. But I'm just gonna go. Yeah. You heard Lemmy. Subscribe. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Wait, what? Oh, wow! The rain stopped and the power back on! Yeah! Alright, this is the best day. Alright, I'm gonna go, just do lazy. So bright in here. Oh my gosh. But the storm's over and I can just relax on this nice Florida day and hanging out with the other people. Other people? What do you mean other people? Hello there. I was hearing that you can buy one of my things. Oh, I would love to. Like 100%. Are you okay?